Here we are, one more floor that needs to be fixed, and we're here to make somebody's life a little bit better. And first thing we're going to do is take the trim loose, and when I do that, I don't just pull the trim off. See how that paint spills over onto the trim? We're going to cut through that, so I try to keep it from peeling the paint up. So take this razor knife and cut along the top. And we'll do that all the way around. And then when I pull the trim off, we'll cut the linoleum right next to the wall. That's the way. That way, when we put the floor covering back on, we put the trim on, we're up against the wall. All right. Here we go.